Okay, so today I'm going to try and make ballistic gel. To do so, I'm going to use 65 grams of gelatin powder, 162 milliliters of glycerin so that doesn't go off, and 325 milliliters of room temperature water, which I have in a soda bottle which has been cut to hold just over 500 milliliters, seeing as we'll be making roughly 492 milliliters of ballistic goo. So yeah, I'm going to mix the powder into the room temperature water. When that becomes sandy, I will put the glycerin into the water, and then I'm going to put it into the sink next to it, which just has very warm water in it. It's not boiling, but very warm, in the hopes that it smooths things out and makes it easier to stir. Then I'll pop it in the fridge. So let's get started. Okay, so now I've mixed the gelatin in with the water. I've stirred it a little. It's become nice and gooey and thick. I'm going to pour the glycerin in. Man, thank God I left enough space in the soda bottle and I didn't have to recut a new one and panically transfer it in the cut. That would have been super embarrassing. Thank God I'm perfect. Anyway, I'm going to let this go in, and then I'm going to shove it into the warm water in the sink next door, and then it becomes nice and goopy clear. I'll be back. Alright, now that it's been in the warm water for about 2 minutes, it's a lot thinner than it was. I'm not sure if this water is warm enough. Maybe tap water isn't warm enough. I mean, it's warm enough to feel absolute pain if you shove your hand into it. Yeah, no, that sucks. And now we wait. Soon. Kind of looks like beer or really off apple juice, which are the same thing anyway. Seriously tempted to drink this. Okay, so Mr. Ballistic Jellish spent the evening on my balcony in about 4 degrees Celsius surroundings. He's firmed up quite nicely. I know it looks like he has rabies, but I was watching the Mythbusters with Adam Savage busy making theirs, and apparently you can use cinnamon leaf oil to get rid of the bubbles. But I looked up cinnamon leaf oil on Amazon and it was in the health category, so I can't buy it. But I don't really care about how mine looks, I just want to make sure that it can stop a pellet and quietly. So I guess that test is up next. Alright, so that's 3 shots on from the Zoraki from 10 meters away. That's 1 pump. I think that's more than good enough for me to do target practice with, and clearly I need it. Then I tried 2 and 3 pumps, and that's borderline stopping it, but still doing it. Question is, do I want to push my luck and try my HW97K and see what happens?
Gee, let me think. Sure.
I couldn't find the pellet from the 97K, which was weird because I was pretty sure I didn't miss. Yeah, I blew the ass right off it. So, A, I love that accuracy. B, this is clearly not dense enough for the 97K. But it's good enough for the Zoraki for target practice, and it's my quietest pistol, so it's what I use mostly anyway. I'll experiment with densities, maybe just add more of it, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, unless I die of cancer. See ya!